What accounting software and tools are you proficient with? Basically, the purpose of asking this particular question from your interviewer is that your interviewer wants to assess your technical skills and, more importantly, your familiarity with accounting software. So, how you can answer to this particular question is that, well, I am proficient with several accounting software programs, including QuickBooks app and Microsoft Dynamics. I also have experience with Excel for advanced data analysis and financial modeling. My familiarity with these tools allows me to efficiently manage financial data and perform various accounting tasks. Question number 2. How do you ensure accuracy and compliance in your accounting work? Basically, the purpose of asking this particular question from your interviewer is that your interviewer wants to evaluate your attention to detail and your knowledge of accounting standards and regulations, okay? So, how you can answer to this particular question is that, well, to ensure accuracy and compliance, I follow strict procedures for data entry and reconciliation. I stay updated with the latest accounting standards and regulations by attending professional development courses and reading relevant publications. Additionally, I perform regular audits and reviews of financial records to catch and correct any discrepancies early. Question number 3. Describe a time when you identified and resolved a significant accounting error. Basically, the purpose of asking this particular question from your interviewer is that your interviewer wants to assess your problem solving skills and your ability to handle accounting errors effectively. So, how you can answer to this particular question is that, well, in a previous position, I discovered a significant discrepancy in the accounts receivable ledger. After thorough investigation, I found that payments were being incorrectly applied to customer accounts due to a software glitch. I worked with the IT department to fix the software issue and reallocated the payments correctly. This resolved the discrepancy and improved the accuracy of our financial records. Question number 4. Can you explain your experience with financial statement preparation and analysis? Basically, the purpose of asking this particular question from your interviewer is that your interviewer wants to assess your practical experience and your expertise in preparing and analyzing financial statements. Okay. So, how you can answer to this particular question is that, well, in my previous role, I was responsible for preparing monthly, quarterly, and annual financial statements. I ensured accuracy by reconciling accounts and verifying data. I also analyzed these statements to provide insights into the company's financial health, identifying trends, and making recommendations for improvement. This experience has honed my skills in financial reporting and analysis. Question number 5. How do you manage tight deadlines and prioritize tasks during busy periods, such as the end of the financial year? Basically, the purpose of asking this particular question from your interviewer is that your interviewer wants to evaluate your time management and organizational skills, especially during peak periods, okay? So, how you can answer to this particular question is that, well, during busy periods, I prioritize tasks by their deadlines and importance. I create a detailed schedule and break down large projects into smaller, manageable tasks. I also communicate with my team to delegate responsibilities and ensure that we are all aligned on our goals. Effective time management and teamwork help me meet tight deadlines without compromising on accuracy. Question number 6. How do you stay updated with changes in accounting regulations and standards? Basically, the purpose of asking this particular question from your interviewer is that your interviewer wants to evaluate your commitment to continuous learning and staying informed about industry changes. Okay, so how you can answer to this particular question is that, well, I stay updated with changes in accounting regulations and standards by subscribing to industry newsletters, attending professional development courses, and participating in webinars and conferences. I am also a member of professional accounting bodies which provide resources and updates on regulatory changes. Staying informed ensures that my work remains compliant with current standards. Question number 7. Can you describe your experience with budgeting and forecasting? Basically, the purpose of asking this particular question from your interviewer is that your interviewer wants to assess your experience and skills in creating and managing budgets and forecasts. So, how you can answer to this particular question is that, well, in my previous role, I was responsible for creating annual budgets and quarterly forecasts. I collaborated with department heads to gather relevant data and used historical trends and market analysis to create accurate projections. I monitored actual performance against the budget and provided variance analysis to identify areas for improvement. This experience has strengthened my ability to plan and manage financial resources effectively. Question number 8. How do you handle confidential financial information? Basically, the purpose of asking this particular question from your interviewer is that your interviewer wants to evaluate your understanding of the importance of confidentiality and your ability to handle sensitive information appropriately. So, how you can answer to this particular question is that, well, handling confidential financial information with the utmost care is essential. I ensure that sensitive data is stored securely, both digitally and physically. I limit access to authorized personnel only and follow the company's data protection policies. Additionally, I'm cautious when discussing financial information and avoid sharing details unnecessarily. Maintaining confidentiality is crucial for building trust and ensuring the integrity of financial data. Question number 9. Describe a situation where you provided financial advice that significantly impacted the company's decision making process. Basically, the purpose of asking this particular question from your interviewer is that your interviewer wants to assess your ability to provide valuable financial insights and contribute to strategic decision makings. Okay, so how you can answer to this particular question is that, well, at my previous company, I noticed that our operating expenses were increasing rapidly. After analyzing the financial data, I identified several areas where costs could be reduced without affecting operations. I presented my findings and recommendations to the management team, which included renegotiating supplier contracts and streamlining certain processes. Implementing these changes led to significant cost savings and improved our overall financial performance. So there you have it, 9 most important accountant job interview questions along with their sample answers. I have already uploaded a video on accountant job description that can also helps you a lot in your interview preparation. The link is in the description of this video. Always remember that practice makes perfect, so take these answers as a starting point and tailor them to your own experiences and skills. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe our channel Knowledge Topper and also gives a thumbs up as well. You can also share it with anyone you think could benefit from it, and don't forget to leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future video topics. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I will see you in the next video on Knowledge Topper. Until then, keep striving for professional success. Have a good day.